Welcome to Nick's Nature Show. This is the first one ever. Probably the last, because I don't fuck with the woods when it's after 7. Fucking flies flying around. I'm walking out of Franklin Park. Potter Park. I don't know what the fuck that shit is, and I'm walking real slow. Because I don't know if that's a skunk. So I'm gonna just walk towards the shit real slow. And you gotta be quiet because they'll put their tail up and some smelly stuff come out their ass. And then you don't want that shit. Because that's worse than R. Kelly pissing on that 12-year-old girl. What the hell is that? What the fuck is a trash bag? I don't want to wake up the animals because these motherfuckers can come out like motherfucking Bloods and Crips and want to beat up a nigga because I'm on the wrong side of the neighborhood. Shit, I'm a city boy. I don't do woods. Ain't got no motherfucking propellant or nothing. Alright. Let me walk back over here real quick. Fuck the bullshit, son. Fuck the bullshit, son. Alright. Yeah. Like I said, this is probably going to be my last nature show ever. Because I ain't never fucking with the woods like this after 7 again. Fuck the bullshit. Bugs is flying up in my face, all over my ear. Just leave me fuck alone. Shoe fly, don't bother me. I hear noises. I found a name on the floor. Who the fuck is this? I don't know, but the way it's written with a heart under it's probably a fag. Anyway. Crickets is running rapid, son. Shh. I'm hearing a bunch of noises. You hear that? Not the crickets. Come on. Let's go over here. I don't like the sound of that. Oh, God. You smell that shit? It smells like fish pussy. Dead animal. And possum piss. Oh God. Oh shit. I don't want to dirty up my white tee. This is a motherfucking classic, son. I'm right by the water. Down there. Some motherfucking ducks, son. Can't zoom up any closer. That motherfucker just said quack. Holla at your boy. Oh, you gotta be real nature with this shit, so I'm gonna do it like this. Fucking bug. What you looking at, white boy? Basically, nature is, from what I heard, is the most beautiful thing ever. Bullshit. The water's fucking dirty. You can't go to a park and you can't jump in the water for free. Well, you can, but you can't jump in when you want to because there's a bunch of shit in it. You can get something bitten in your ass. If you're a dude, you probably get leech on your balls. Hell, you might lose a dick. Get the fuck up out of here. Fucking black people and nature don't fucking mix, son. People hear shit bad enough they paranoid as fuck. Them white people disappeared kind of quick. Getting the fuck out of here, son. Oh yeah, this will be on YouTube and Facebook. Whatever uploads first. About to make ourselves out of this bitch. For real. Up out of this motherfucker. Fuck, fly, son of a bitch. We're going down that way. If another fucking fly come flying up in my motherfucking ear one more time, I swear to God, I'm gonna go to my house, and next time I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna get some Ray bug spray, and I'm gonna kill y'all little insect candy asses. What's up? That's what I fucking thought. Y'all stay in y'all trees, alright? Alright. It's history about this pond. It's on a rock. Y'all probably looking at this shit and say, no shit. Well, fuck y'all, alright? Alright. Scarborough Pond. The original 7-arc Scarborough Pond was constructed in 1893. In 1922, a portion of the pond was filled to accommodate the expanded golf course. The pond was fed by groundwater and water pumped from Jamaica Pond. Well, Nicholas Christopher Hawley, on this day of 2012, look at this and look around and just safely say, I don't give a fuck. Dirty ass water. Do something with it. H2O gonna drink that shit, you be H2 dead, son. Anyway, alright. About to start walking out. These crickets is running wild. They sound like motherfucking helicopters and shit about to land on a nigga. You gotta keep your bait and you gotta have your eyes behind your backs at all times. It's a good thing it ain't 8 o'clock. I'll be pissing in my shorts while I'm walking. I ain't playing. Hate those fucking sounds. I swear to God, man. Let's get the fuck up out of here. This nature shit. I do black and white. I don't do motherfucking nature. There's a fucking hurricane. Niggas in the fucking house. Fucking raining. Niggas in the fucking house. It's thundering. I'm in the fucking house. Black paper bag. Black paper bag. Man, my mom's making some chicken, some peas and rice. I don't care if I had chicken too much. I'm gonna eat up a motherfucking storm after this shit. It's a motherfucking workout. It's a fucking fire hydrant. What the hell a fire hydrant doing in this motherfucker? Ain't nobody parking here. If we park here with your bike, we gonna get a speeding ticket. Woo, woo, move your shit. If you think I'm going in them woods, you out of your motherfucking mind. Shit. I ain't them white people in scary movies. I ain't that stupid. Shit. This movie, a black guy is gonna live and survive the whole goddamn movie. Shit. Fuck the bullshit. Then again, there's something in there that caught my motherfucking eye. And I want to go in there, but I got so much poison ivy on my ass. It's not even funny. Last thing I need is poison ivy on a dick. I don't know, son. Shit, it's gonna swell up and I'm gonna be itching like I got crabs. What you got, crabs? No, nigga, I got poison. Oh, that's a motherfucking bird. Whew. I'm about to turn around and dip. It's like mad quiet for no apparent reason, and I don't like that shit. That motherfucking dude jogging keeps scaring the shit. Go sit down somewhere, masturbate to a magazine or some shit. Goddamn flies pissing me off, man. just slapped myself. Fuck. Run, white boy. Run. Even though you look partially retarded. You heard that? Who's screaming like bitch? You know what? I'm about to pull off that white boy and start jogging and then be black and start running. Fuck the bullshit, son. I believe all this right here is poison ivy. So help me God, if you ever fall in that shit, I feel so sorry, but at the same time, it's sorry about your damn luck all the way. You're gonna get red from top to bottom and no telling when the fuck you gonna be normal again. You're gonna look around, walk around looking like the motherfucking Kool-Aid man and shit. Oh yeah. Oh look, it's a human and a bitch. I mean dog. Goddamn fuck, leave me alone. If this fuck, I think this grade got too many motherfucking bugs. Dog try to be friendly, but if he try to bite me, I'm gonna kick his fucking head off. Fucking fly. Swear to God. Word of advice, if you ever gonna do a nature show just cause you're bored or just cause you're waiting and kill time, make sure you have some motherfucking bug spray. I ain't talking about the shit you pour on your skin. I'm talking about bug spray, raid, shit you kill in your house. I will kill every insect out here. I'll kill a bee, a dragonfly, a butterfly, a motherfucking fly ant. I don't give a shit. What the hell is this? Something was wet and it was dragging on here, and I came in from over here and this wasn't here. Fuck this. I'm out of here. Thank you for watching my nature show. This will be the last time I ever do this shit after 7. Peace.